Hello viewers, I'm Kajol and today I'm going to show you how to install Mibew Messenger. Mibew Messenger basically it's a customer support tools. Here I'm show how to install Mibew Messenger. At first you want to go your hosting server. My hosting server is Real IT Solution, and then I'm going to cPanel. Viewers, you can see here I'm logging my cPanel in my hosting server, and then I'm come to the software. You can see here the hosting server cPanel. Here is the software. Then you come to software callers. It's software installer system, software callers, and then I'm click the software callers apps installer, and then I am going to down, and then you can see here Mibew Messenger. Here you can see the Mibew Messenger, Mibew Messenger. Then here click the Mibew Messenger, and then installation process is very easy. Install now, and then I am install it. Take a 3 point XYZ. Then I'm clicking the quick installation, and then password 123456 123456. Then I am going to install, and it's take a bit of minute, like 20 or 30 second. And here here you can right button click, and here you can see here I am click admin password, enter. Viewers, you can see here I am login with my installed Mibew Messenger. Then I am click the show the main menu. Then I am going to the page. Then here you can click, if you click the visitor, then you know how much visitor in your page. Then you clear chat history. You can see here, if you admin, then see the chat history, then statistics, customer support tool, then canned message, button code, operators, group settings, plugins. You can see here the plugins. Here you can see the styles. Here you can see the styles, translation, mail templates, profile, about, and then the exit. Very simple. Just 2 minutes you can install Mibew Messenger in your hosting server. That's all. Thank you very much.